Neither snow, nor rain, nor heat, nor gloom of night, and nor Canada Customs. Nothing is going to stop me now from getting into what's inside this box. Got a very special amplifier in here, and slightly delayed, but I get to open it up today. I want to share it with you. Why don't you join me? Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed Lonely Rocker. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're into guitars, related gear, and hearing it how it sounds when you record it, well, perhaps you've come to the right place. Well, today we are doing another unboxing, and I'm very, very excited about what's in this box. Canada Customs did hold us up a little bit. We got it cleared. Better late than ever, but it is here. Now, full disclosure. Well, first of all, nothing happens in these unboxing videos without the infamous purple blade. Now, in my excitement, I started opening the box thinking the camera was rolling, and it wasn't. So thankfully, I didn't get too far. But full disclosure, Purple Blade has already done its job. But thank you, Purple Blade. We'll get you on the next video. Anyways, thankfully, I figured that out before I got too far. So let's see what's inside. Little box here. Oh, we got a foot switch. I'll just cover the brand there. Little 2-button foot switch there. We'll get to that in a second. Owner's manual. We'll see if I need that. Very, very well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap and foam. Ah, there she is. Let's get her out. This is the Evo TM50. That's the Tom Monda signature head here. It's an all-tube amplifier. A lot of really cool features. So why don't we get this plugged in and fired up, and I'll tell you all about this amplifier. Purple Blade, I'm really sorry, let you down this time, but we will get you on the next one. Hey, shit happens, right? Anyways, power cable. I just want to note, a little thing, but the lead is really long, and when you're doing demos, really appreciate having a little extra cable here, because my power source is right here, and I'm usually backed up in here. I'm gonna have to use this, but nice long power cable, and also a nice long cable for the foot switch. So that came in the box. And well, everything's plugged in here. So why don't we fire it up for the very first time? She works. Good to know. I'm always worried he was shipping something like an amplifier. This came from New Jersey. Anyways, I just want to read a little bit from the manual here, just to give you a little backstory on this amplifier. Congratulations on your purchase of an Evo TM50, the product of nearly 3 years of R&D in collaboration with world-renowned prog guitarist Tom Monda of Thank You Scientist. If you haven't checked out Thank You Scientist, look him up on YouTube. The guy is a phenomenal player, very, very versatile. And that's really the idea about this amplifier, to cover off a lot of different tones and styles that he has in his music, something that can kind of do it all. I love amplifiers that are versatile. I've talked about that before, multi-channel amps that just give you a lot of options, especially in a studio setting. It comes in handy. All right, so we're going to get in nice and close, and I'm going to give you all the details on the TM50. For those familiar with the mod community, the Evo TM50 is the brainchild of Rob from Jaded Faith. To quote George Lynch, Jaded Faith's mods are what these amps should have been from the start. And that in essence is what the TM50 Tom Monda signature amp is all about. It's a 2-channel 50-watt hand-wired head with 2 6L6 power tubes, 3 12AX7 preamp tubes, and 1 12AT7 phase inverter tube. Channel 1 is advertised to deliver pristine cleans to edge of breakup tones and beyond. With 2 gain stages, it has a volume control as well as bass, middle, and treble controls. The mid-shift and bright switches add an extra level of versatility here, and I'll definitely dive deep into that in the full demo video to see where we can take this channel. Channel 2 is where the real fun begins. With 4 gain stages, this channel sports a number of features to take you in a multitude of directions. It has standard gain, bass, and treble controls, but the real versatility with this channel is the mids with a very Q circuit delivering sweepable mids and a mid-shift switch. I'm curious to hear what this will deliver. Plus, you have a boost switch and a comp switch that adds diode clipping. Another unique feature of this amp is the dual post phase inverter master volumes. I had to look this up, but this allows you to get really cranked up tones at more manageable volumes. The 2 master channels are accessible with the included foot switch. Around back, you have an effects loop, 3 speaker outputs at 4, 8, and 16 ohms, the foot switch jack, power, and standby switches. And every TM50 is hand-signed by Tom Monda himself. A little peek inside reveals some pretty cool looking red mercury magnetic transformers. And here's a quick look at the tubes. No, my camera is not upside down. The chassis hangs upside down from the top. Overall, the TM50 looks and feels like a very high-end amp with a ton of versatility. I look forward to plugging in and sharing a ton of tones from this amp. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell if you haven't already so you don't miss my full demonstration of the Evo TM50. Well, there you have my first look at the TM50 from Evo Amplification. I want to thank Evo so much for putting faith in me and my channel and sending out this amplifier. I'm going to cherish this amp, but what I am going to do is I'm going to spend some good time with it because I want to share with you all the tones and features that this amplifier has to offer. Understanding the philosophy of that business, I'm pretty confident we're going to hear some really great tones out of this amplifier, so I'm super excited to dig into that. But again, thank you so much to Evo. Really appreciate that, and something tells me we'll be seeing this amp a few times on the channel. Anyways, if you have any thoughts, any questions, are you familiar with Jaded Faith or Evo Amplification? We'd love to hear your thoughts. That's what the comment section is for. But if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And while you're down there, I recently acquired the Wong's VT50 in a very affordable JCM 800 type circuit. Well, that's sitting right here if you want to check it out. And remember, you don't need a band to rock and roll, and I'll catch you in the next one.